That's it.
I'm gonna fall asleep under a bridge.
Toes.
No toes.
Wow.
Udders.
Udders.
Sydney's a cow.
Oh.
Jimmy, you're alone.
Hey, you're alone.
I am not
on the
alone. I do not spit.
She bites though.
What is... I was gonna hate you. I didn't mean for it to be that painful.
What are you laughing at, Melissa?
You.
Next person I'm gonna throw that at you.
Wow. I'm tired.
That hit your glass.
And I need a home because I feel like a hobo.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna take it.
Give me my tea.
No.
Give me my tea.
Your own pee.
Get your own pee.
I would, but I don't have the courage to hold that cover, you know? I mean, it's like this big, you're holding it, it's like, spewed on the sides. Gross. Please, give me my tea.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
I have you died.
Hey.